Hi, and welcome to today's episode of Floyd's Corner. As always, my name is Scott.
And I'm Jose.
And today, we will be covering phosphates. So, let's start with the basics. Phosphates are essentially nutrients that increase algae growth. Algae feeds on phosphates, which causes it to grow more quickly. Phosphates can enter your pool in multiple ways, through fertilizer, pesticides, and any organic debris that may enter the pool. Having a high level of phosphates can lead to an increased risk of algae growth. If you are having problems with algae, be sure to get your phosphates, along with your other pool chemicals, checked at your local pool store.
So now that we know what phosphates are, let's talk about how they affect your pool and how to get rid of them. The maximum level of phosphates a pool can have is less than 100 parts per billion. Once the phosphates increase significantly higher than this, your water quality will decrease, and it will be time to begin a phosphate removal process as soon as possible to halt uncontrollable algae growth. Fortunately, there are products out there that help to lower high phosphate levels. Natural Chemistry's Phos-Free and Phos-Free Extra Strength are great for phosphate removal, and we highly recommend them. In fact, it's the only line of phosphate removal products we carry. To remove phosphates from the pool, proceed to do the following. Test phosphate levels with a testing kit or have them tested at your local pool store. Backwash your pool. Add phosphate remover to the pool, and while doing so, remember to follow the guidelines on the packaging for accuracy. Once you've added the phosphate remover, allow the filter to run for 48 hours. Return to the pool and backwash for a second time. Once you have done all of these steps, return to your local pool store. Have them test the phosphates again to ensure you have done everything correctly, and if necessary, repeat the process.
Now, you know exactly what phosphates are, how they affect your pool, and how to treat them. Be sure to tune in next time for the next episode of Floyd's Corner.